Miranda if you're new here, and if you're not new here, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, please be sure to subscribe to me. I make videos every week, or try my best to. This week I'm just gonna decorate for fall with you guys and show you a couple products that I absolutely love for fall. So if you're interested, then go ahead and keep on watching. There's also gonna be 3 DIYs in this video if you keep on watching till the end. Here you can see some of the DIYs I did last year, and I'll link that video in the description box below. Here I'm showing you the pumpkin Mrs. Meyers scent for fall this year, and it is absolutely amazing. It definitely puts you in the spirit for fall when you're cleaning with it. Moving right on to DIY number 1, and what we're going to need is all these materials right here. You mostly just need the mesh and the floral wire, and of course a door. We're going to clean the door with, of course, our pumpkin cleaner and measure around it. And then if you don't have nails, use command hooks. But you take the mesh and you just bunch it up and twist it however you want it to look. Use 2 if you want it more full. I just used 1, but that was a big mistake. Then once you get it looking how you want it to look, go ahead and attach flowers and leaves with floral wire, and your door is ready for fall. Let's not pay attention to the dirt at the bottom. There was a ton of spiders, and your girl isn't about spiders. So I just left that alone. Moving on to DIY number 2, and it's a pumpkin pillow. So you just draw out a pumpkin shape, cut it out, and then you're going to trace the shape again on another piece of paper. Now you're just gonna roughly draw the insides how you want it to look. So I'm just gonna make 3 pieces, 1 on the side, the other on the side, and then 1 in the center, and cut those out. Now I'm taking some green fabric that is 20 inches long by 12 inches wide, and we need 2 of these to make our pillow. We're gonna make sure that our pumpkin fits nice in the center, and then move that out of the way. I'm grabbing some gray fabric now and cutting out my pumpkin, and then taking this plaid and cutting out the insides. Now I'm just gonna lay my insides in my pumpkin how I want it, and we're gonna zigzag stitch it all the way around all these pieces. Once that's done, this is what it looks like. Now we need to put it on the front of our pillow, pin it down, and zigzag stitch all the way around. Once that's done, put the other piece right sides touching, and we're going to sew all the way around, leaving an opening to turn right side out later on. Now clip the corners. Turn it right side out. We're going to stuff the pillow, and then we just whip stitch it closed. And that's our pillow. Now my third and final DIY, which is kitchen towels. What you're going to need is 4 pieces of fabric that measure 22 inches by 7 inches wide. And we're going to take the front of one of them and sketch out a pumpkin. And then take some orange paint, some white paint, and some green paint, and we're going to paint our pumpkin. I'm just using regular paint here. Mixing that white paint in with the 2 colors really allows you to make a variety of different colors, so that's what I'm doing, just using the orange, the green, and the white. Now just put that to the side and let it dry. Take another one of your rectangles and sketch out fall. This one we're going to do embroidery using embroidery floss. Threading my needle, I'm just going to do a basic back stitch, tracing my letters. Here that is all finished up. As you can see, the back is a little mess, but you're not going to see that. Now for these pieces, we're going to take our back side, face them right sides touching, sew all the way around, leaving an opening to turn right side out. Turn it right side out, and then make sure all your corners are out. We need to close up our opening at the top, pin it and sew all the way around, and repeat the same thing on the other one. And here is our finished decorative kitchen towels. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.